in this video, obviously you guys can see that I am couponing. This is the results of 2 weeks of shopping. So yeah, I'm excited. So anyways, if you don't know, I am on a journey to become 100% debt free, and the only debt that I have is my mortgage. So naturally, because I'm on this journey, I gravitate on different ways on how to save money, and one of the things that I've gravitated on is obviously couponing. So anyways, I'm going to just share with you guys some little experiences that I've had and some quick tips. So in this video, I'm definitely going to show you what I purchased this Saturday. So you're going to see that. This right here, like I said, is just overall result of what I've been doing in the past 2 weeks. And this is 90% of my things, because some things I've forgotten to add. Like I got my daughter some facial tissue, and I have gotten paper plates. So I know I've forgotten some things, okay? So some of the really good deals I have gotten are these razors. So these Gillette razors right here, I had a coupon for $3 off, and these were only $3.25, so I only paid 25 cents on those. And the same thing with these big sensitive razors. I had a coupon for $3 off, and these were less than $3. With after tax, I only paid 4 cents for these. So yeah, guys, and I've also have gotten some facial moisturizing cream and a facial cleaner. I have never used these products before, so I'm definitely excited to try these out. And another thing that I have gotten, these Dial little travel soaps. I have gotten 2 of these. I had a coupon buy 2 for $2 off, and these were only $1, so these were absolutely free. So that's always exciting when you get items that's completely free. So yeah, I am so excited, guys. This is definitely a hobby for me. I think it's very important to find hobbies that you're passionate about, and I'm definitely passionate about saving money. And also, I'm like bonding with my daughter. She went on this trip with me, and it's so cute watching her do the little math and telling me what deals are better and what makes more sense and how much I'm going to end up paying out of pocket. So it's really cool watching her do that. So yeah, guys, I'm definitely going to continue on doing this. Basically, what I do is I stretch out my grocery budget, and it allows me to do this on the weekends. So yeah, I'm not even breaking the bank or going over my budget at all, okay? Because if I'm going over my budget, then I'm definitely not doing this for the right reasons, and I'm definitely about trying to save money and putting as much extra to my mortgage, of course. So I definitely wanted to share this with you guys, and I just can't wait to see where this goes. You know what I'm saying? So I'm so excited. One thing I've noticed, that a lot of people that do this actually donate their items, and some people sell their items as well when they have so much stuff. And it is legal to sell your items, FYI. I've done the research because I was kind of scared about that. They passed a law in 2017 that it is okay to sell your stockpile, but do your own research, okay? So anyways, that's it, guys. If you guys like videos like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. So continue to watch the video, and you'll see what I actually purchased this Saturday. Another tip that I would definitely say is that if you watch couponers, watch their videos for inspiration and learning how to coupon, but try not to wait on their videos before you go out and get deals, because if you do that, what I've learned is that the stores are empty afterwards. So try to learn how to coupon and find deals that work for you and the things that you're actually going to use. I just try to make sure I buy things that make sense. For example, if I want to buy something that costs $1.25 and the coupon is 25 cents off, but I could actually buy that same product at Dollar Tree. If it doesn't make sense, I won't buy it. But if I'm using it as a filler item, Like for example, a lot of times I try to do the 5 off of 25. If I need that item to get to my $25, then I will buy something like that. But I try to buy items that actually have a good coupon attached to it and things that I'm going to actually use. All right, I'm done talking, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Purchased some items today and I used coupons, of course, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. If you didn't know, I am on a journey to become 100% debt free, and I've got myself into couponing. So anyways, let's start with transaction number 1. So this is transaction number 1, and I went to Family Dollar to purchase these items. So basically what I did, I downloaded the app, and when you do that, you could receive digital coupons. So last weekend, I went to Family Dollar. So I basically used my digital coupons already. So what I did this time, I opened up a new account under my son's phone number. And yeah, so that way I could get some more awesome deals. So anyways, I had a digital coupon for the Gain. I had a digital coupon for the Tide. Now, I did not have a coupon for the tissue paper, but I purchased these because there was only $2.50, and my daughter needed to take these to school. So awesome, awesome deal. So yeah, and then I got these Pond's and Noxzema. I hope I'm saying that right. I have never used these products before, and I've always wanted to try them. These are basically facial products. One is a moisturizing cream, and the other one is a face cleaner. So I'm really excited to use these. Now these had a digital coupon as well. Buy 2 and you get $2 off. But I actually paid $15.78 plus tax, okay? That's included tax, saving me $6. So what do you guys think? Do you think this was a good deal or no? I think it was okay. I think the facial products was kind of expensive, and we all know that laundry detergent is not cheap. So $15.78, I say that's not too bad. All right, guys, so let's move on to transaction number 2. So with this transaction, I used my original account, and I am going to get a second account using my son's phone number, but I didn't do that yet. So this transaction is using my original account. All right, guys, so basically, since this is my original account, I did not have many digital coupons left. The only digital coupon I had was for this game, okay? So basically what I had to do is use paper coupons. All right, guys, so I totally forgot about my paper plates. So I purchased 2 paper plates for $1 each. I did not have a coupon, but I really needed these, so let's continue. All right, guys, so I used this paper coupon right here. I got this from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree do sell coupons. So basically every Sunday, just go to Dollar Tree at the cash register and ask for a Sunday coupons, okay? Sunday newspaper, but it's only coupons. So yeah, so what I'm going to do from now on is when I go get my coupons, I'm going to look at it. And if I see really awesome deals, I'm going to buy another paper. So that's the tip, you guys. You could buy more than one, okay? So anyway, so I use paper coupons. So let me show you what I clip. Basically, you can't see because the coupons are gone, but these were the Tide coupons that I used to make this purchase. and also the Tide Pods, okay? I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did have a digital coupon for the game. And like I said, I used the paper coupons for the Tide detergent and the Tide Pods, okay? Now with the paper towels, I did not have a digital coupon because I had used it last weekend, but I still purchased these because these were so cheap. They were actually on sale. So it was about $3.75. So if I had the coupon, it would have been a lot cheaper, but I still thought it was a steal. So I got some paper towels. I also had a digital coupon for this travel size Dial soap. I'm definitely going to use this because I am going on vacation for spring break with my kids, so I'm going to take that along with me. And the cool thing about this is these were actually free because I had buy two, $2 off digital coupon, and these were $1 each, making these free, okay? And I also purchased these Purex right here. They were on sale. I did not have a digital coupon, but they were on sale and I could not pass them by. It was 2 for $6. For 36 loads, you cannot beat that. So that's only $3 each. So I thought that was awesome. And so my total was $31.07. I paid only $16.07, saving me $15. And the catcher is, guys, that I also use a 5 off of 25. Okay, so if your total is $25 or more, you save $5, and they only do this on Saturdays. And that was actually a digital coupon as well. So if you ever have this on your app, make sure you clip it. Okay, so that way you don't lose that coupon. So I clipped that as soon as I seen that. So yeah, so I got all these digital coupons plus the 5 off 25. So that made it a really, really great deal. Now with Family Dollar, they did not have the 5 off 25. Okay, they had the 3 off 30, but I did not want to spend $30 just to get $3 off. I think this was pretty good. And I think this deal over here was really awesome. So you guys, let me know what you think, guys. How did I do on these 2 transactions? So anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love.